Okay, so if you have any other problems, you can leave your comment. I will reply later. Okay, so let me start today's live broadcast room. Okay, so welcome everyone to come to my live room. So today I will introduce the CCIE EI Lab SDN requirement to you. Okay, so you can see from the screen, here is the timeline of today's schedule. I will discuss Cisco CCIE Lab exam overview and the latest CCIE EI version 1.1 Lab SDN requirement. Of course, test taking techniques will be included, so don't miss this time. Stay tuned and join. Okay, so this webinar is worth $199. Now you can learn it free. Yes, it's free, but exclusive for SPOTO learners. And in today's live webinar, we still prepare our Black Friday lucky draw for you. So just check a link in the comment room and join. You can win free SD1 course. Yeah, SD1 course. So we have 2 rounds of lucky draw in today's live streaming. Just keep watching. Don't miss any opportunity to win the gift. Okay, so here you can see. Let me introduce myself. Okay, have you ever known me before? Okay. Okay, so have you ever known me before? If you know me, can you reply one in the comment? Hello? Okay, so do anyone who know me? Okay, so I'm your CCIE tutor. I'm responsible for CCIE EI. Okay, so if you want to get CCIE EI certification, you are my student, so I will be strict with your study. So, okay. So do you know me? Okay. Oh, I guess you. Okay. Okay. It's a disappointing to me. Anyone know me? Okay. So let me introduce myself. So I'm EI lab tutor. So this is my I number. I belong to SPOTO Gold instructor, so I'm proficient in Cisco and the Huawei datacom technology. 5 years of experience in after-sales technical support from manufacturer and 2 years of project management experience. So in my CCI journey, okay. Oh yeah. Hello. Welcome, Mala. Okay, new here. So, are you the first time to come to my live room? Okay. Hello. Okay. Welcome, Smith. Oh yeah. Okay. So, each time I see so many friends to come to my live room, I feel very excited. Yeah. So okay. So in my CCI journey, I achieved CCIE EI in just 2 months. So if you want to get CCIE EI certification, I will be strict with your study quality. So you must follow me. Okay, yeah. Hello. So let's move to the CCIE overview. So before the introduction, I would like to let you see our CCIE holders' latest pass report. Okay, pay attention. So we have passed the CCIE security lab just on 2015. Just on November 25th. Okay. You can see today is 28, so November 25th, we just have students to achieve security, and also we have October pass now for CCIE EI version 1.1, and you can see these are the latest EI report. Okay, you can see November 25. So I know yesterday we just have 2 students achieve CCIE EI certification. Okay, so if you want to get CCIE, like if you want to be CCIE expert, okay, so you can trust me. You can choose SPOTO. So 2,300 plus IE from SPOTO. So the success story you can repeat. Okay, so it's very stable now to achieve CCIE certification. So it is the best time. So if you want to get CCIE in 2025, so you can action now. Yeah. So does anyone want to achieve CCIE lab in January or February in 2025? Okay, so you can type 1 in the comment. Hello. So does anyone who want to achieve CCIE lab in January or February in 2025? Okay, if you want to get CCIE, you can type 1 in the comment. Okay, if you want to get CCIE, you can type 1 in the comment now. So I will, so admin, he can share the latest demo to you. Okay, so anyone who want to achieve CCIE, security, or EI, or collaboration, or DC. So if you want to get CCIE, you can leave your comment below, and our admin will share our latest demo to you. Okay, and we will share our latest demo and our passing report to you. Okay, so let's move to the CCIE overview. So the Cisco Certified Internet Work Expert CCIE is one of the most prestigious networking certifications in the world issued by Cisco, and it is meant to identify top network engineering experts. So an employer sees CCIE as one of the most influential networking certification a network engineer can have. So you must pass both a written exam and a practical lab exam to obtain CCIE certification. Okay, so you can see with CCIE, you can take your place as a technical leader. So technology areas include enterprise infrastructure, okay, so wireless, security, DC, service provider, or collaboration. So which CCIE track do you want to pursue? Okay, which CCIE track do you want to pursue? Okay, so you can leave your comment below. Okay, EI security. I know enterprise infrastructure is most popular among IT engineering, but I know if student gets EI certification, they will continue to achieve other CCIE track. They will choose security or DC or collaboration. So which CCIE track do you want to pursue? Okay, you can leave your comment below. Okay, anyone? So which CCIE track do you want to get? Okay, so 80% of our customers will choose EI as well, and we have stable pass on this exam every day. So also, we have world first and only pass in CCIE security lab. So that's the important reason why you need to choose SPOTO, so you can trust us. And the wireless and the collaboration lab has one said it's more easier for you to pass in your first time. So our lab is very stable now. And our service provider and the DC lab service now, and start your practice whenever you want. Okay, and the CCDE lab will change. CCDE lab will change in February 2025. So if you want to get CCDE, hurry up. Take exam before it's changed. so boost your career before 2025. Okay, so which CCIE track do you pursue? Okay, you can leave your comment below. Okay, so if you want to get CCIE certification, if you want to get CCIE demo, okay, you can type 1 in the comment and our admin will share latest demo to you. Okay, so CCIE is widely considered the industry higher level IT certification program, so commonly it's equipped candidate with excellent internet working skills that are simply the best in the industry. So, however, do you know the CCIE salary? Okay, let's see the CCIE average salary in USA 2023. Okay, so the average CCIE salary in the USA is $146,000 per year, and you can see from the right chart there are huge gaps for the salary between certified and the non-certified. So people with CCIE certified earns almost 20% than the non-certified. So you can get the idea of why CCIE is so popular. Okay, I think many of you want to get CCIE certified due to this high salary. Yeah, many go my home. Yeah, many go my home. So, but the problem is how to get it right. Yeah, how to get this CCIE is so difficult exam by yourself. So don't worry, we will help you to prepare for lab exam well. Okay, so the entry-level job titles in the industry for a Cisco certified internet network expert include network engineer and the network architecture, Cisco engineer, and so on. The mid and the senior level designation for CCIE certified professional include Cisco consultant, senior security engineer, CCIE system engineer, and so on. And according to the pay scale, the salary for different job titles varies based on years of experience, countries maybe, but it can be ensured that there are huge potential for CCIE certified holders and great salary enhancement for CCIE networking professionals. So, if you have the energy, I highly encourage you to hurry up and learn the CCIE. Okay. So now let's go to the next part. How to obtain the CCIE certified. So you need to pass 1 core exam and 1 practical lab exam. So let's move to the CCIE EI exam overview. So EI certification validates our skills with complex enterprise infrastructure solution. So to get CCIE infrastructure certified, you have to pass 2 exams. One is written exam. Okay, so this exam tests candidate knowledge of implementing core enterprise network technology, including virtualization, infrastructure, network assurance, security, and automation. And after passing the written exam, you can take the second module, lab exam. Okay, so it's covering enterprise networks through the entire network life cycle from designing and deploying to operating and optimizing. Okay, so let's move to the lab part. Yeah, so you can see the EI lab has updated to the version 1.1. So this exam is 8 hours. 8 hours total, with the first module being 3 hours and second module being 5 hours. Candidate will be tested on varying technology and the solution listed in the exam topics throughout both modules. While both modules independent from each other. So there is a progressive storyline that will be built upon throughout the entire 8 hours lab practical lab exam. Okay, so candidates won't be able to navigate back and forward between these two modules. So okay, we have talk about lots of the CCIE exam overview. So now let's go deep into the key point today, EI version 1.1 lab SDN new requirement. Okay, so this is key point. Okay, attention. So okay, so personal information to make a purchase. Okay, so admin, can you contact this friend to introduce our purchase progress. Okay, so admin, are you here? Are you there? So please contact our list friend to introduce purchase progress. Okay. So which CCIE track do you want to pursue? Okay, which CCIE track do you want to pursue? So you can leave your comment below. Our admin will contact you. Okay, so let me continue to show the EI version 1.1 SDN requirement. I think this topic is that everyone is most concerned about SDN exam requirement in EI lab. So EI examines the candidate deploy, operate, and optimize capabilities referred to as SDOO. So which is mainly configured from routing, switching, SDA, SD1, and the programming. So these belong to HQ, and these belong to DC, IAS, SP1, and SP2, and the 4 branches. So you can see this topology falls under the category of SDA and SD1. Okay, hello. Okay, welcome. Hello. So is CCIE lab? Of course, our CCIE solution is the same. Is the same as the examination rule. So you don't worry about the solution. Okay, just follow your tutor. So if you choose the CCIE EI version 1.1, I will be strict with your study quality. Okay, so admin, are you there? Okay, so this friend want to get the CCIE EI version 1.1. Hey, dear, have you ever took part in the CCIE EI before? Okay, have you ever took part in the CCIE EI exam? Okay, so let me continue. So, we start to introduce SDA and SD1 module, which is the complete SDN topology. So, if the previous routing switching can be successfully completed, SDN technology isn't difficult. So, let's take a brief look at the technical point using SDA and SD1. Okay, so let me show the new SDN requirement. So, okay, SD1 underlay. So first, you must ensure the underlay connectivity is available between data center and the branch 2. Branch 2 through global service provider 2. So the solution must meet the following requirement. Okay, so use redistribution. Okay, ensure that all SPF metric is incremented within data center. So we know the OSPF matrix has OE1, and OE2. Okay, so do you know the answer? Okay. Okay, so do you know the answer? OE1 and OE2 matrix. Yeah. Okay, so this question require this requirement. This question require the HQ area to obtain the root of service provider one. Okay, so the second part is about branch one device template. So let's take a look at the SDN requirement in this part. First, apply new function device template. So the new template name, okay, you must use this name. So the solution must meet the following requirement. Ensure the system IP, set ID, host name, and any other relevant setting match the current configure setting. So ensure the CH40 can communicate with manager after pushing the template and show as reachable. Ensure the root from branch 1 appear as OSPF external root on switch 201 in data center. Root from DC appear as OSPF external root on switch 400 in branch 1. Okay, so ensure that for switch 400, it is possible to telnet into CH40 use telnet this IP. So this requirement just require us these two branch can communicate with DC each other. Okay, so DC can receive the root from these two branch. These two branch can receive the root of DC. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so after completion, we need to confirm DC and the branch 1 and branch 2 can communicate. So the third part is about vSmart. So configure Cisco vSmart controller to be in vManager mode rather than CLI mode to enable the usage of centralized policy. So the template used for this task must be name. Okay, name vSmart. Okay, so this part of requirement is relatively simple. And the next requirement is about traffic engineering. Configure traffic engineering from DC. So telnet traffic from the DC to SD1 must use only the default color. HTTP, okay, TCP port 80 from the DC center to SD1 must use only the green color. Okay, if the green T-log is down, web traffic must be load balanced. Use SLA class to achieve the outcome. You include the latest CCIE in the name of any new policy. Okay, template. So this part mainly assess candidate SLA class principles and the configurations. So the above are the related requirements of SDN. In general, the new version of SDN is actually much simpler than the old version of SDN. Okay, so you can see this is the design question. You can test it by yourself. Okay, so if you want to get a latest demo, CCIE EI version 1.1 demo, you can type lab demo. In the comment room. So I just see the one friend want to take the CCIE EI version 1.1. Okay, admin, you can share our latest demo to our list friend. So if any other friend want to get CCIE certification, you can type lab demo in our comment. And we will show latest demo to you for free. Okay. So anyone, so who want to get CCIE EI version 1.1, you can type lab demo, or if you want to get CCI security, you can type security. And if you want to get the DC, you can type DC in the comment room, and our admin will share our latest demo to you for free. Okay, so we have talked about CCIE EI exam topics and techniques on preparing for the CCIE EI lab. I think you must wonder how to achieve the CCIE lab exam in less time. Okay, so if you want to boost salary, it is the best time to choose the SPOTO CCIE lab package, which can help you pass in 3 months. So now let me tell you the passing secret with SPOTO, step by step, and our EI lab service package. Okay, so first, EI lab has 2 modules, including design and DOO. So design is very simple for SPOTO students because we have complete information to provide students. So this part won't focus on the introduction. Okay, so let's see the DO. So at SPOTO has clear practice standard for students. For example, routine switching SDN, SD1 programming. So we will require you to complete DO within 3.5 hours. Okay, so if you want to take the exam, so we will test your quality. If your quality is bad, we won't advise you to take the exam. Okay, so secondly, you can see these are our rack. So the rack practice environment we provide for everyone is very sufficient. So you can flexibly arrange your spare time to practice through the cloud. So the most important thing is that our practice environment is basically the same as the examination room. So don't worry about your practice difficulty. We have already made study arrangement for you. And our practice environment will separate routing, switching, SDN, programming, and finally we'll have fusion experiment. So what you see is our routing and switching environment. Everyone will get a unique routing switching rack practice permission. And when you complete routing switching practice, we will help verify your overall practice quality. And this is our SDN rack practice interface. This is a complete practice environment including routing switching SDN, which is 99%. 99% identical to the test room. So you can play your own practice time and adapt to the test room environment for practice in advance. And when you meet the exam standard, we will help review your practice process to ensure the quality of your practice. Okay, so if you want to take the exam, we will test your practice quality. If your quality is bad, we won't advise you to take the exam. Okay. And here I would like to briefly introduce our service process and what you can get if you choose SPOTO training course. First of all, we will provide one-to-one service at the VIP level, distribute EI solution, and the rack practice. So if you meet if you encounter any problems or difficulties, so you can contact tutor to solve them, and we will arrange for you to test the quality of practice at each stage to confirm that whether you meet exam standards. And we will also arrange the sprint plan for you, matters needing attention in the exam, and so on. So we will make sure you pass the CCIE exam in one pass. Okay, so here is the CCIE lab package you can take a look at. We provide 3 months service time, so then you will have enough time to practice, and including material rack including physical racks and the virtual racks. So I must emphasize to you, the virtual rack it's used to practice routing and switching. We will offer rack to you, but also it's not limit. But I know other vendor won't provide virtual rack. They will demand you to install. You need to install EVNG in your computer, so it will consume your local computer. But in our SPOTO racks, we will offer rack to you, and it's no limit hours to you, so you can practice anytime, anywhere. Okay, and we will offer physical racks 100 hours. I know in other vendor they only offer 60 hours to you. Okay, so you have so many hours can practice SDN. So it's very convenient to you. You can practice anytime, anywhere, and it won't consume your local computer. Okay, and we will offer the latest lab exam feedback from our students. Okay, it's very useful to you to get CCIE. You can know the exam. You can know the exam situation, so you will be more confident in the exam room. Okay. So you can follow me, and you can trust SPOTO. We will help you to achieve CCIE certification in one time. So this is your study plan for everyone to pass the CCIE EI exam at one time. As the CCIE EI lab has 2 modules, so we deliver lab service and learning material in stage. So the first stage, routing switching, SDN SD1 step. Step 3, programming. Last step is design. So our practice environment and the solution is the same as the examination room, so you don't worry about it. And we are responsible for your practice quality. We will test your quality. If your quality is bad, we won't advise to take the exam. Okay, and design is and we will offer the design to you. Design material is the same as the examination room. So of course, we will flexibly adjust the study plan according to the characteristic of each student. If you learn quickly than other students, we will help you to share the material to you. I remember last month a student prepared CCIE in 1 month in one time. So their study ability is very strong. So they can get CCIE very quick. Okay. So here are my preparation tips of CCIE. First, you must know lab requirement and provisioning. You must familiarize lab requirement and provisioning, and you must analyze the lab topology, data analyze. You must summarize the key point, summarize the fault and the problems, and the communicate your troubleshooting idea with tutor, and improve proficiency. Last, quality inspection. You must contact tutor for periodic quality inspection to verify your own shortcomings and consolidate them. Communicate with tutor, and be able to follow tutor's test preparation suggestion. So these are my exchange experience with CCI students. I hope it can help you to pass the CCI exam. And these are my feedback from our other candidates. So you can see they passed the exam. Okay, so these are passing report. They get the thing and they have practice. Okay, it's the same as the examination room. So okay, so you can trust SPOTO. We use professionalism and service to win the trust of our customer.